Okay, the last skill we're learning through class and videos is Revolve. The rest you'll learn with doing, which will be fun. Be it sweep, be it rib. I've used that. That one looks pretty cool. Be it a hole, be it web. I've never used that. That's a good way to provide support. The red, which is going to be very important. Box, never used. You can use that. Cylinder, that probably would have been a good one to use for a bead. I think that's a fusion thing. Sphere, yeah, these are all kind of new. Pipe, mirror. We might go over that at some point, but yeah, we will. But all these things, pattern, we can go over that at some point, are things you can mess around with and learn, either through kind of looking at this or just going online. Okay, but now we're going to do Revolve. So we're going to create a sketch once again on a plane, like always. Now I'm just drawing some lines. This should be good. Okay. No rhyme or reason. 2. Okay, down here. I'm not. I just keep clicking. It's allowing me to keep drawing. Okay. Bam. And when you revolve, you need a closed shape, and you got to imagine you're revolving around some type of axis. Okay. So for this one, we're going to keep it simple. Okay. So stop sketch, and we're going to be revolving around this green axis here. Okay. So there's, and it could just be a line. It doesn't have to be axis. So for example, this is our profile we're selecting. For the axis, we can select this blue line, and it revolves like that, or we go back in time, and we can hit revolve, select a profile, and also select this line, and it revolves like that, which is cool. Then you can change the angle, 180, okay, 360 is what we're going to do here, and then okay, so it's revolving this shape around the axis or this line, which is cool. Okay, so what if we instead, we're going to undo, okay, I'm going to go to this sketch, so we're going to edit the sketch, okay, and we're actually going to draw a line from here to here, and then we're going to trim, bam, bam. So we're trimming, we're erasing those, okay, and then we're going to stop sketch, and now we're going to create revolve, and we're going to revolve this, and then our axis though is still going to stay the blue. So now we have a hole, which is pretty cool. Okay, and now once again, like anything else, we want to go back and edit, and we're like this. Needs to be a little bigger. What you can do is go sketch, dimensions here, okay, and make this a 2.5. Okay, well, this is a good time to use constraints. So that went that way, which is not where we're revolving around here. So this wouldn't work. Okay, so before we do this, you can do constraints. But I like to just add another dimension, which also is constraint. So the point from here to here is going to stay 0.5 no matter what. Like we want that 0.5 hole in the middle. Now when we edit this, let's make it 3. It has to go out that way. Okay. Now we can stop sketch. And you see how it updated our revolve, which is pretty cool. Okay. Cool. Okay. So that's that. That was quick. But that's revolve. Okay, so once again, there's lots of things in sketch that we haven't done. Arc. We've only done rectangle, circle, line. Polygon we haven't done. Ellipse we haven't done. Slot we haven't done. Spline we haven't done. Okay. All of these point we haven't even done. Okay. Extend, break we haven't done. Offset we haven't done. Okay. So all of these are options. Mirror, pattern. Okay, you kind of get what this does, right? I assume so. We haven't done, and this is going to be stuff you can figure out. Modify, we haven't done. Okay. But once again, this is all stuff that just allows you to do more. Okay. Cool. Thanks, guys.